is Ashley. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm very well. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I am good too. So, my name is Sahiba and I am from India.
Okay. Nice to meet
Yeah,
you, Sahiba.
nice to meet you
Good.
too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada, but right now I'm living in Costa Rica.
Okay.
Do you know
Wow.
this country?
Yes, I know Canada.
Yes. What about Costa
Yeah.
Rica? Do you know this country?
No.
Okay. It is a small country, very small. It is in
Mhm.
Latin America. So you have Mexico, and underneath Mexico, many small countries. And here is Costa
Yeah.
Rica. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's nice
So,
here. It's very hot, and there is a beach close by. So I live close to the
uh-huh.
ocean. It's very nice. I
Yeah.
like it.
So,
Hmm.
what time is it there right now?
Right now it is 10 o'clock in the morning on Saturday.
Oh my God, morning.
Yes.
Here, 9:32 p.m. It's night
Yes.
here.
It is like a 12-hour difference. Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you do today?
I learned a lot of things.
Hmm.
Yeah, I learned some models by
Okay.
watching YouTube.
Good. There's so
Yes.
much to learn on YouTube. So much to
Yeah.
learn. Yes.
Yeah.
So tell me about the modules. What did you learn?
um, could I learn could, should,
Hmm.
will, would, shall, should,
Yes.
can. Yeah.
These are so confusing, right? They all sound
Yes,
the
I am so
same.
confused. Yeah. Actually, yesterday I learned from Cambly teachers. Yeah.
Nice. Good. That's excellent. So
Yeah.
there's so much grammar that we can learn, right?
Yes, yes.
Mhm. So
Yeah.
tell me, what is the difference between could and should? Do you remember the difference?
A little bit.
Tell me.
Uh, could use the past. So uh, can we use could for polite.
Yes, it is more polite. Yes, more
Yes,
polite than can. Could is more polite.
yes,
Mhm.
more polite. So can use for permission
Yes.
and ability.
Yes.
Yeah,
Good. You remember. Excellent. Yes,
yeah, a little bit.
permission. Yes. Could you
Yes,
bring me the water? Or I
yeah,
could do that. Yes, ability.
yes,
Mhm.
yeah. So
And then mhm.
I can swim.
Mhm. I can
Right?
speak English. Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Uh, could you speak French?
Mhm. Or can you
Yeah.
speak French? Are you able? Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So,
And what about should? When do we use should?
should. Uh, one. Mm, should. I don't remember.
That's okay.
You tell
Should
me.
is, yes, should is maybe like obligation, right? So maybe I should go to bed now because maybe I am tired and I have to wake up early in the morning. Something you
Yeah.
should do. So you haven't done it yet, but it would be good if you did it. I should study more. I should go to the supermarket because I need to buy food.
Yeah.
Mhm. Should.
So,
Something I...
yeah.
Mhm. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Okay. So, you tell me, what is the difference between will and would?
So will, it's the difference in the intention. So will is you are sure. You are 100% sure. I will go to school. I will go home. I will eat this food.
Will use for okay. Future.
Yes, exactly. In the future, will. And would is maybe you're not so sure, right? So I would do this, but I'm not sure. So it's the difference in the intention. Would, maybe yes, maybe no, but will is always yes.
Yeah.
I would go to the supermarket, but it is raining. I would go to school, but I feel sick. So maybe you will not do it, but will, yes, you will do it for certain.
Okay.
Does that answer your question?
Sorry?
Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You're so good teacher for me.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, let's practice.
I understand you.
Good. What is something you will do? For example, I will...
Yeah.
Tell me, what is something you will do?
Okay, I tell you. I will lunch. No. Yeah. So I will lunch after Cambly.
Okay, I will have lunch. Sure.
I will have. Okay.
Or maybe dinner. Since it is nighttime, maybe dinner.
Yeah. Yes. I give a example.
Okay, fair enough. Sorry. I will have
I had
lunch.
dinner.
Yes,
right
okay.
now.
Already.
Yes.
Good. And what about would? What is something you would do? I would...
I would have some water. But I am tired.
Okay, sure.
I'm tired.
I would have some water. Yeah. But maybe I am too tired. I don't want to walk to the kitchen.
Yeah.
I would. Good. I would have dinner, but I don't want to cook. I don't want to cook. So, yes.
Okay. So
they are very similar.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's your hobbies? Tell me.
What are my hobbies? Well, I like to go to the beach. I like to go swimming. I like to walk on the beach.
Wow, swimming.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Do you like to go swimming?
Yeah. Yes, I like.
Waves, big waves. People go surfing. Do you know this sport? So sometimes the swimming is dangerous. The waves are too big.
Yeah.
Yes. But it is fun, and I enjoy just walking around in the nature.
Yeah.
Yes. What about you? What do you like to do?
Actually, I like reading and painting only.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. So you are an artist.
Yes.
Yeah, cool.
Not good.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Simple artist.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, it was nice to meet you, Sahiba. I hope I see you again.
To meet you too.
And I hope you have a good night.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.